Hello everyone, we are going to go through this Clipper Cadet. We actually got a couple Clippers sometime last week, so that's pretty exciting. This is a 17 BH model, and let's go ahead and get the weight out of the way. It comes in weighing 2,934 pounds as the dry weighs, so it's a really lightweight camper. A lot of vehicles are able to tow this. So starting with the outside, you do have your diamond plating down at the bottom of your front cap. You also have pass-through storage, so that is always a plus. You have extra room to stow anything away for your camping trip. This even has front and rear stabilizer jacks. And then of course you also have an awning that stretches 99% of the way across, so you have that extra shade. There's also an outlet out here if you need to plug anything in. And you have a leash link already built in here, so you can have your pet all nice and comfortable underneath your awning, and you don't have to worry about them taking off somewhere. You also have a spare tire. So now let's check out the inside. All right, so directly to my right is your master bedroom area. So queen size bed. You also have some shelving space for decorations up there, and there's even little like cubbies underneath. There's also a outlet plus USB port to plug in your electronics while you're sleeping. Windows on either end as well, so you have some natural light coming in. 3 cabinets for your clothes storage, or pretty much storage for whatever. Right next to your door is actually a spot for a TV backer, so you can have a TV hanging up. And then connecting to your kitchen cabinets is your control panel. So that's where you can access your awning, as well as your water heater, water pump, interior lights, and all of that fun stuff. And then you have your dining room areas. So this will fold out into an extra sleeping spot. So that's pretty nice for any extra guests. There's also a outlet, so if anyone needs to plug anything in, you have that option. Even more storage up above. And there is your AC. It's right in the middle of your camper to stay nice and cool. And now into our kitchen area. I absolutely love that the countertops match the table. It's very cohesive. And then your refrigerator is right here. Can never figure out which side opens what. Try to do this with my one hand. There you go. And then just above is some additional countertop space for food prep. You can cook some things, or you can get things ready at the same time. You guys know what I'm talking about. The price for this unit comes out to be $15,999 for everything. There is an outlet against the wall, so you can plug small appliances on your countertop space if you need to. And then you got your sink with the matching sink cover. Love that. Couple burners as well. You can cook some things at the same time. And you actually have a spot for a microwave up here, which is awesome. Cabinet storage as well. And you also have bunks in this camper, so that's pretty exciting since it is under 3,000 pounds. You are able to have even more guests stay with you. There's a huge window on the top bunk, so whoever claims this has a nice view. USB port. And there's another one here down below. Each bunk also has a light, so, you know, they have that. Pretty cool. And then lastly, coming into our bathroom area, you have your shower tub combo and your toilet. Plus, you have your skylight and vent fan. But as you can see, this camper is not plugged in, so you have a lot of natural light coming in here. So that is it for this Clipper, you guys. If you have questions or concerns, please let us know, and we are happy to help.